Welcome to the Family Cookbook Project tutorial on creating more than one cookbook in your cookbook account. Most folks get started with one cookbook easily. As soon as you sign up, you add a title and you're off and running. But then the next thing you know, you want to make a cookbook for another side of the family, or perhaps a cookbook of just desserts, or maybe a fun small cookbook of just cookies. Well, you can do any of those things and so much more with your cookbook account. So how do you do it? The first thing you do is go to the multi-book dashboard, and you can get that in a couple of places. From your quick start page, it's right here under the Account Center, Multi-Cookbook Manager, or you can go to the editor activities up top and go to the multi-book dashboard. So let's do that. When we go there, you'll see you have one single cookbook set up as what's called the master book, and that's Mom's favorite recipes today. And there's just one contributor, with 50 recipes or so in here. But let's create a brand new one. Let's say we'd like to make a cookbook for our niece's wedding shower. So let's add the cookbook, and we'll create it. And it's going to ask you for a name, and let's make cookbook for Susie's shower. We click add a new cookbook. And just like that, you now have a new cookbook for Susie's shower. It has one contributor, which is going to be you as editor. And of course, there's no recipes or print orders or anything yet. So what do you do next? Well, to start working on it, you simply click the login button. And ta-da, you are now in the current cookbook, which is Cookbook for Susie's Shower. So if you go to add a recipe, you'll be adding a new recipe to Susie's shower cookbook. Oh boy, that's almost a tongue twister. So let's add one. So we're going to add some fudge. We'll put that under desserts. Put the name is going to be me. And for fudge, I'm just going to totally guess at this. 1 egg, 1 cup sugar, 1 bag chocolate morsels. So, of course, every actual baker is now laughing at me because I'm just making this up. In a mixer, mix all ingredients. And bake in oven at 350. And we'll put a degree symbol in there for 30 minutes. And that's it. I won't put anything else in here. We'll make it a private recipe and no need to email anybody because I don't have any other contributors. So I'll save that. So now if I go back to my multi-book dashboard, you'll see you've got 51 recipes in your favorites, as well as one recipe in the cookbook for Susie's shower. Now, another fun thing you can do is you can copy recipes from one cookbook to another using the recipe transfer tool. Now, that may have its own video tutorial on there. So let's take a look. No, not yet, but we will be adding that shortly of how to copy from one to another. That's very fun and easy. You simply select your from cookbook and your to cookbook, and it'll give you a list of all the recipes available. You can pick and choose which ones to copy. Gets you a quick start in your new cookbook as well. So that's it. That's how to use the multi-cookbook dashboard. Now, one extra, and when you first do log in, you'll always log into your main cookbook. Then you'll click your current cookbook after that. So let's just pretend we logged in. It would look like this. And we can click home to go to the dashboard for Mom's favorites. Or we can say, I want to log into Susie's cookbook, click cookbook home, and now I'm in the home for Susie's shower. That's it. Have fun.